Have you been trying to figure out the trick to post on Instagram through your computer and not just your smartphone? We're going to show you how to do it, and it's so easy. You're going to love this little trick. Hi, I am Christie Browning, the owner of Content by Request, an on-demand design and marketing firm that specializes in helping small businesses and nonprofits project their mission and their message to the masses. At Content by Request, you request it, we create it. So if you've been wanting to know how you can best post Instagram from your desktop computer instead of using your smartphone, we're going to show you how to do that today. Just a couple of clicks will get you there. So before we dive in, why is this something that you may want to know how to do? Well, quite frankly, sometimes the content that you're wanting to share on Instagram is already maybe on your computer or your laptop. Or you may have done some editing and some formatting, and it's just easier to get it from your desktop than to figure out how to get it to your smartphone and then figure out how to upload it into Instagram from your smartphone. Sometimes when you're transitioning content between different desktops or smartphones and back and forth, the quality of the image or the video may be reduced, and you may run into some technical glitches getting to make that all happen. So let me show you how you can go directly from Instagram into your desktop so that you can just pull information and files right off your computer to post to Instagram. So here you can see a screenshot of the Instagram page for Content by Request. What you see is me. And once you're here on Instagram, whether you're on your personal account or you're on a feed, it doesn't matter. Once you get here on your computer, you're going to right click. And when you right click, this little information box is going to pop up with different menu options. And you're looking for the inspect option. So we're going to click on inspect. What you're going to notice is that your screen shrinks down and you have this sort of funky coded sort of section that shows up here. This is where you can create this online connection to Instagram, or you can change the way you see Instagram on your computer. You'll notice at the top that you have this toggle device toolbar. If you click this back and forth, you'll notice we go from this bigger screen, which is what your Instagram normally looks like on your computer. If we click it again, it's going to put it into a format that kind of looks like your smartphone. You'll also notice at the top that you have a drop-down menu that lets you pick different options to see Instagram. This is going to be based on the device that you want to see Instagram on. So really all this does is change the way your screen looks. It doesn't really change much as far as the functionality of this little desktop hack. So wherever you want to land on this option is great. Biggest thing here is that we're seeing this as an online option of what Instagram looks like on your smartphone. Basically, when you toggle to this screen, it's turning this little window of Instagram into an actual responsive Instagram from your phone, as if this was your phone. So you'll notice now my cursor is kind of this little gray dot that's floating across the screen. The biggest thing here is that we want to refresh the screen. So we're going to click the little refresh reload button. And when that comes back, what has changed is now we have the bar down below to do the Instagram functions that we can do from our smartphone, but we're still sitting on our computer. We have this gray little cursor, and you can click right here where the plus sign is, and it's going to open up your different file folders for you to pick something from. So we're just going to pick a quick photo of myself. And then again, this is just happening just like it would on your smartphone. So you can edit things and filter things here. If you wanted to do that, you could just click on these. We're just going to click next. Then you can click in the right caption part to write the caption that you want to post. So we're just going to put, "Hey friends," as just a quick little something here. And then you can continue to go through here if you want to add locations. If you want to tag people, you have that option too, just like you would on your smartphone. Then you're going to click share, and it's going to upload this to your Instagram. So there it is in the feed. You can click here and see it through your actual feed that we were just looking at. And again, from this option, you can look at your home screen. This is all the feeds that I follow here on my own Instagram channel. You can look at your notifications as well, as far as likes and follows. So this turns into basically your smartphone right here on this little toggle screen. And all you have to do is make sure you're toggled to this menu bar here, and you're good to go. Now, to get out of this, because this is kind of funky and you don't want to stay in this, you can X out to close this out. We're going to refresh our screen, and we're back to normal. So if you are wanting to toggle between what you have online and what you have on your smartphone, that is how you do it. Utilizing social media platforms can be a little frustrating because they all work just a little bit differently. If you are newbie to social media, you might find that Instagram doesn't always work the same as Facebook, as same as LinkedIn. They all kind of have their own little version of doing the same things. You may also be frustrated if you're a longtime user of social media because the platforms are changing. They're forever updating their software and their platform to be more user-friendly, but yet that means we have to relearn how to use the platform. Don't get frustrated. Do a little bit of homework and a little bit of research. I promise you'll be able to figure it out. I go to YouTube for everything, and if you're needing more help on utilizing social media, feel free to hang out here on our channel, because we want to keep bringing you more tips and tutorials to make you feel empowered to do the marketing you need to do for your business or your nonprofit. If you can't find what you need here, a little bit of a YouTube search will point you in the right direction. There's lots of videos out there that can help you be empowered to share your message and your mission with the masses. Thanks for tuning in today. Hope this is helpful. If you have questions about how to utilize Instagram more effectively for your marketing, feel free to ask them in the comments. We'll be sure to come back and respond with an answer.